Hello everyone, myself Advocate Parth Trivedi with Advocate Rajesh Rawal with Advocate Rashmi Rawal are presenting today on the topic domestic violence and how women are fighting with domestic violence during this lockdown period. Now, let's talk about the term domestic relationship. Domestic relationship is a relationship between two persons who live or have lived together in a shared household related by marriage or through a relationship related by marriage. Domestic violence. Domestic violence is a violence or both abuse in a domestic relationship done to a person by an opposite person or the family members or relatives. Forms of domestic violence are physical violence. It includes slapping, pushing, biting, hitting, beating, throwing objects, threatening with any form of weapon or using a weapon. It can be emotional or psychological abuse. Examples are harassment, threats, verbal abuse, talking, isolation. Or other forms of domestic violence are emotional, economical, or religious violences. Now, let's talk about domestic violence and lockdown period. Lockdown was imposed all over the world due to the spread of coronavirus. According to a resource, during this lockdown period, as many as 1,309 domestic violence cases have been filed in the state of Uttarakhand alone. According to National Commission for Women, they received 315 complaints relating to domestic violence in the month of April alone. The number of cases reported might not be proportional to the actual rise of domestic violence cases, as the abuser does not get the access to mobile phone, space, and time with limited access to financial resources and social network, or even the courage when she could call for help. With partners and children potentially trapped at home during COVID-19 lockdown, the rate and intensity of abuse could even get worse and extend to child abuse. Many women facing abuse want to go to their mother house, but during this lockdown, they can only be sent to state-run shelter homes where the risk of overcrowding and poor hygiene runs high. India's Domestic Violence Act gives the woman right to shelter, but is it worth taking risk of catching coronavirus? For a domestic violence victim, it is a prison sentence that only gets longer. In its combat efforts against COVID-19, the government must allow civil society organization, counselor, mental health organization, and providers to come to the rescue of women facing domestic violence. Reaching women in distress needs to be classified as an essential service. Women need safe spaces where they can be shifted, if necessary, away from the abuser. These were our views and suggestions regarding this topic. You can comment below your views and please like, share and subscribe our channel.